Thank you so much.
Echo, hello. Miss Lot, hello. Where's Janine?
Sila naman.
Si Janine. Hindi, mamaya pa yun. Mamaya sila nakatawa.
Check mic, check mic.
Hello everyone.
Yes, we have a song number for everyone
No, not me.
that we have prepared.
No, thank you.
It's called Apatid. Kaya mo yan? Kaya. Yes.
Utto.
Thank you for writing that joke. Everyone still okay pa tayo? Okay, after these very wonderful photos, we'd like
Nandyan?
Nandiyan na siguro, di ba? Saan? Ayun.
Kakahulog ko lang sa upuan ko. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello po. Guillermo, sa award po na ito, hindi ko po talaga inaasahan nung una akong nagsimulang magtrabaho para sa Lavender Fields na magkakaroon ng mga ganito. So maraming salamat po. Thank you to Dreamscape, to ABS-CBN of course, to Sir Deo and Tito Leo na inumpisahan tong project kasama ako. And of course sa co-actors, Echo, Ate Jody, Ate Jolens, and Direk Manny, Direk Jojo, at sa lahat ng bumubuo sa Dreamscape. Thank you talaga, maraming salamat po. At syempre, bukod sa lahat, thank you sa fans. Thank you so much kasi talagang buong tiwala niyo sa akin. Kahit ako wala masyado pang tiwala sa iba-ibang role, nauna na po kayong nagtiwala sa akin. So malaking bagay po yun. Maraming salamat po. And I dedicate this to my family who's here tonight. Siyempre, bihira lang kaming magsama-sama sa ganitong klaseng event. Pero ngayon, dahil we're honoring also Mamita and Mama Gaya and Tito Ricky, I dedicate this also to them, and I'm so happy that you're here tonight. My mom and Tita Jackie and my cousins. And yun lang. Salamat din sa mga lola ko kasi sobrang laking inspirasyon nila simula nung bata pa lang ako. And of course, Tito Ricky was one of my first directors. So, mahal na mahal ko sila and mahal na mahal ko kayo. So thank you very much. Thank you, Guillermo.
Receiving the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Jamie Remoquillo.
Let's Guillermo for recognizing Lavender Fields. Thank you so much. Of course, success po ito ng Dreamscape at isa ito sa mga last brainchild ni Sir Deo. So, Sir Deo, this is for you. And of course, Miss Kylie, Miss Hazel, yung buong team ng Lavender Fields. Siyempre sa mga director namin, Direk Manny Palo and Direk Jojo Sagin. And of course, kay Ate Jody. Ate Jody. So, maraming salamat po.
Thank you. To the cast. Amazing cast. This is for us. Cheers.
And thank you po sa lahat ng nanood talaga on ABS-CBN, TV5, Netflix. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Alam mo, Christian, it really feels great when we get to recognize our seasoned actors who have been the strongest.
It's so good. It's nice kasi pag bumalik tapos na-recognize ka. Ganito, binigyan ka ng award sa patunay na mahal mo yung trabaho mo eh. Ginandaan mo, di ba? Tapos magkasama pa kami dalawa. So,
yun na nga.
super saya.
Meron bang, we heard na meron kayo gagawin sa'yo together? Paano excited for that?
Oo, meron kaming project together, pero hindi lang namin muna masabi pa at ma-announce pa.
Pero gano'n ka ka-excited for that? Kasi syempre,
I'm always excited to work with her. You know, I mean, Lavender Fields was really parang testament to how well we work together. And syempre, excited ako magkasama ulit kami dalawa.
Ikaw naman, Janine, how excited you are na to work again with Jericho?
Of course, super excited ako kasi maganda talaga yung experience namin working together. And syempre, isa din sa happy outcome ng Lavender Fields sa looking forward to doing more work.
Actually, yan yung gusto ko sabihin kanina. Nakalimutan ko, nag-freak out na ako. But yan, so bonus na lang ito eh.
Bakit ba katrabaho kapag special someone katrabaho?
O syempre, may ibang level kayo ng understanding. And we both respect the craft. And we really, syempre, pareho kami palagi na ganadong.
Okay.
Picture natin.
Dito.
Wala na.
Okay na po, Ate Yoli. Okay na tayo. Thank you.
Tol, support naman tol. Thank you.
Paalalay lang.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend.